Welcome to the future of robotics and artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where robots can think, learn, and perform tasks just like humans. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real and happening right now. Let's start with brain organoids. These are tiny, three-dimensional clumps of brain cells created from stem cells. Scientists grow them in the lab and they organize themselves into structures that look and act like a small part of the human brain. To make these brain organoids useful in robots, they need to communicate with machines. This is where neural interface chips come in. These chips translate the signals from the brain cells into commands that a robot can understand. The result is incredible. This robot can grip objects carefully and move around obstacles smoothly. This kind of precision and adaptability could be very useful in many fields, from factories to healthcare. This technology is a big step towards combining human and machine intelligence. Just like how Elon Musk's Neuralink connects human brains with computers, these brain-on-chip robots blend biological brain power with digital processing. Let's dive deeper into this. Neuralink is a project by Elon Musk that aims to create direct communication between human brains and computers. By implanting tiny electrodes into the brain, Neuralink can capture and interpret brain signals, allowing a person to control devices just by thinking. Similarly, in these brain-on-chip robots, brain organoids generate neural signals. These signals are picked up by neural interface chips, which then process and convert them into digital commands. This means the robot can think in a way that mimics human brain activity, allowing it to perform tasks with a high level of adaptability and precision. Brain organoids aren't just for robots. They also help scientists study brain diseases and find new treatments. Imagine using these tiny brain models to understand conditions like Alzheimer's or brain injuries better. Here's how this works. Brain organoids are made from human stem cells, which means they can be used to model human brain diseases. Researchers can study how these diseases develop and progress in a controlled environment, something that's very difficult to do with actual human brains. For example, in Alzheimer's disease, researchers can observe how the disease affects brain cells and connections over time. They can test new drugs and treatments on these organoids to see how effective they are before moving on to human trials. Similarly, for brain injuries, scientists can study how brain cells react to trauma and explore new ways to promote healing and recovery. This mix of biology and technology could lead to advanced AI that thinks more like humans. Plus, with open source brain-on-chip systems, researchers all over the world can contribute and innovate even faster. Of course, there are challenges. These include making sure the brain organoids grow properly and addressing ethical questions about using human cells in this way. We need clear guidelines and careful oversight to ensure this technology is used responsibly. The creation of a robot with a lab-grown brain is a huge leap forward in robotics and AI. This technology means we could have robots that think and learn almost like humans, making them incredibly useful in many areas. Imagine robots that can adapt to different tasks in a factory, assist in delicate surgeries, or provide personalized care in hospitals. In research, brain-on-chip systems could lead to breakthroughs in understanding complex brain functions and disorders. Scientists could develop better treatments for diseases like Parkinson's or epilepsy by studying how these conditions affect brain cells in real time. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must address ethical concerns about the use of human cells, the potential for consciousness in these brain organoids, and the long-term impacts on society. That's why careful, ongoing research and ethical guidelines are so important. The journey has just begun, and we're standing on the brink of a new era where the line between biology and technology blurs. The possibilities are truly endless, and we're only starting to explore what we can achieve. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and AI. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.